Fuego Island, humans have made a new discovered creature. No, actually, a creature, a living organism was created by us. This was at the Red House Laboratory. How did they do it? Well, I'm going to demonstrate using materials now. Obviously, I don't have the actual materials, but I'm going to use replicas. Let's pretend that this is an egg that they created in a lab using chemicals like sebestus and coronescus, which they got from the nectar of a sunflower. They modified this egg to turn into a species that they are calling right now an Aborigine, or the orphan species, which they describe as almost a miniature squid. So they took this and broke it apart until they have to crush it with a utensil. It became a powder-like substance. Then they took this powder and put it in one of these. This is to eventually purify it by using water. After they were done with that, they would see these little things floating on the surface. Those are going to become upcoming sperm or egg of this current unknown, almost small species of squid. They would put a little bit on a wooden stick. This would usually take a few attempts to get all of it. Once they were done, it would look something like this. Then they would take a microscope and examine it. Right here I have a 30 times zoom microscope. And if you use a really bright flashlight, you will be able to see the eggs. Hopefully you'll get a good zoom of them. So these would be the eggs. Sorry, I can't really get the best view, but I'm sure you could see that those would be the eggs. Of course, they're not actually the eggs, I'm just using replicas. Mind you, for the record, this is not no ordinary flashlight. It can stretch for miles and acts like a laser. Also, for the record, there's also an option for floodlighting as well. It's a pretty good flashlight. This video is not sponsored. They would take a very tiny jar like this and put it in. Okay, so now it's filled with the liquid. These are the eggs and they are going to hatch. Well, obviously this is a replica, so it's not actually going to, but this is the method they used at the Red House. And these are leftovers that could be used for the future. Make sure to like and subscribe because this is Sudland, baby. Let's go!